Aloha and Arrivederci. Having a little bit of fan noise coming from these fans. Pretty simple process normally to fix that problem, unless the fan's severely gone. Usually this will fix it. Just use a tiny little bit of liquid lube. You just want like a drop. And then we're going to take our grease gun, because these come factory packed with grease and it just eventually dries out, and we're going to add just a little bit. We're not going to overpack it. And then we're going to put the plugs in. These rubber plugs will pack that grease back in. That plugs in, and it's just a little rubber plug. I used can use a flathead, but I have this little pointy screwdriver that I use to dig the plug out. And then we are just going to clean up the excess. And then there's stickers that go back on top of this plug. Not needed, but if you care about the way it looks and you want it to go back to the way it was when you took it out of the computer, just put your stickers back on, connect everything back up, and you're good to go.